Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome to my day 4 of 100 Days of Japanese Challenge. So today we will learn about how to express where you're coming from. So you will put the place where you're coming from at the beginning and then plus kara kimashita. So ka is over here. So it is the hiragana Japanese alphabet to express this pronunciation is written as this, and it's derived from the kanji this. And then la is, the hiragana is this, and the kanji is this. So ki, it is written as this in hiragana pronunciation, and ma is this. So in my previous lesson that I said this ma is derived from another kanji, which ended up to be not accurate. So the accurate kanji that it is derived from is actually this. I think in this way, it's actually more similar, right, to these two. And shi is derived as this, and da is derived as this. So for example, if you want to say you're coming from Canada, so then you can say Canada kara kimashita. So this is Canada kara, Canada, no, this is Canada kara kimashita, right? So this one, if we can put it underline, so this is the place that you're coming from over here, right? And then kara, no, actually it's all the way up to here, which is Canada. And then kara kimashita. And if you are asking that question, where are you from? So you will say doko. Doko, as studied in our previous lessons, it represents the meaning of where. So where are doko kara kimashita. So kara is from. So therefore the grammar is actually a little bit reversed. So doko, where from come. So doko kara kimashita. So kara kimashita is always a phrase, and then you just need to add where in front of it, right? So therefore it's doko kara kimashita. So this one, the kanji that it is derived from, it's written as this, doko, which is this. She is this, right? Doko kara kimashita. So let's try to hide this and then try to do it ourselves one more time. So we will start paint board, and then we will try the written form. So, so firstly, we say kara kimashita, right? So kara kimashita. Kara is from. So from, if I can actually make the stroke bigger, kimashita. So kimashita, kimashita, kimashita. And then, so ki is kala. Kala is from. And then kimashita is come. And then where, if you want to put a where in front, you put over here. So it's doko. Okay, so kara, ka is the hiragana that represent this pronunciation is this, and then it's derived from the kanji this. La, kara, the kanji that it's derived from is this. And then it's derived into this. And this one is hard. I think it's something like this, maybe. And we will see, we will check this later. And then kimashita, so ki is this. This one is the same as the kanji, I think. And ma is this. And the kanji that it's derived from is actually this. So these ones, even the kanji, they actually only represent the pronunciation, the sound. It's not really, these kanjis are not really representing the meaning. And kimashita is the kanji that is derived from is this. And the hiragana is something like this, I think. Like we have to check this too later. And the kanji that represent the sound is this, and hiragana is this and this. So basically it's like a little bit on the side over here. And doko, so do, the kanji that represent the sound is this, and ko is this, that represent the sound, do, and then it's this, and then 2 dots over here. And ko is, it's this, thanks. We have to check this one too, right? And okay, and another one, let's say that you're from Canada. So Canada, kala kimashita. Kala kimashita. I think that this sound is interesting. It sounds like it's pronounced as shi, kimashita. Instead of shi, it's pronounced shi. Okay, right? So Canada. So this hiragana pronunciation is this. Na, I think I don't actually remember this the na one. And okay, let's check. So ga, we got it right. Okay, let's do this thing. We got it right. Got it right. And this one, oh, see, this one is wrong. So the kanji is right, but the hiragana that it's derived into is, yeah, so there's the dot, but you have to have this part And then you have to come back here. Oh my God, this is hard. Okay. And so this is the la, la. And this one, and kimashita. So kimashita over here. Okay, let's come over here for kimashita. Okay, let's make it big. Okay, so kimashita. So let's check our ones. So for hours, we should have it. Okay, so kimashita, we had this one is right. So this one is right, and the kanji is right. Oh no, this one is wrong. So she, it just it's derived into only this. That's funny. Okay, yeah, okay. Kimashita. So that this is maybe this is spelling is not quite right. Okay, I guess it should written as the so here you don't actually connect it. So you just put this and this. All right. And this one is right. And for Canada, okay, so da, it's actually not TA, right? So therefore, it's kind of like this, like da, but actually not really. So it, on top of this da, you actually add two dot to, I guess, which is the stress of the D sound. So Canada, na is this, and this, and this. Okay. All right, so let's try to review what we have learned in our previous class. So in our previous class, we learned that how to say excuse me, which is sumimasen, right? So not that difficult, sumimasen. So su is the kanji that represent that is this, right? So it is written into this. So the kanji that represent the sound is this. So it is it is derived into this, I think. Ma is what we just learned, that is this the word that represents that sound, and it is written as into here. Actually, I think this is not me. I think me is written as this. The dot is over here, not on the top. And then sen, so this is the sound that kanji represents is this. And this one is actually not, I remember it's not that different. Not that different, something like this, I think. Yeah, I have to check. And then, so this one is just this. So sumimasen. So we can take a look that what if we got it right actually. So so over here we see that we got Sue right, right? So Sue right. Me. Oh no, okay, so this one, no, it's wrong. So it is written as this. So you actually don't go up and it's this. And then ma is right. And sen, it's not quite right. So it is this. And then you come here. And then you come here. Sen is right. All right. Okay, so the second class we learned was to introduce where do you want to go, right? Or like asking about directions. So so basically it is I think it's that you put the direction or the destination that you want to go to at the beginning, right? And then you put wa, right? And then you put doko. Doko is where, right? Is to represent where. And then deska is basically a question tone, right? To ask about questions that you can actually put at the end of any phrases. So wa and then doko. Doko is what we just saw. The kanji is this, and do is, we just learned about it. Do is you have to put this, and then you have to do this, and then you have to do this. Doko, and then ko is this, and ko, you actually need to do this. Think. And then deska. So we know it's this. The I think the is like, I think it's the kanji that it's from for represent the pronunciation is this. And then I forgot about the derivation of the hiragana. And then ga is easy, it's this. And okay, let's see. Yes, correct. We got the doko part right. And doko part right. So do, correct. Ko, correct, right? And deska, yeah, we got the kanji part right, but the hiragana is actually this, and put 2 dots over here. All right, and then ska, that's the ska. So this is the question tone to put. And the third day we learned about to introduce yourself, your name or your profession. So usually you put your name or your profession, right? Or your profession over here, and then you put this, right? And so you don't need to put the ska at the end, because ska is like asking a question, right? But this is more like a statement, right? So therefore, so we learned about just it now, and then we know that this, the kanji is this, and the is this, right? And then we just learned about it, and it has a 2 dots. It's like this, I think, right? And then let's say that you want to introduce yourself as the 10 in, right? Which is a store salesperson. So you say 10 in this, right? So these kanji actually represents the meaning, right? 10 in. So the pronunciation is 10 in. So these are 2 words. 10, the T, the T is the pronunciation kanji is this, I think. This. In, I know, in, E, I know is this. And the in is just this, right? So, but, oh, 10, oh, sorry, yeah. Okay, so the 10, so this one, this is that. So 10 is actually, so this one, it is pronounced as this, which is the kanji that represents this T sound, 10. So it become to this as a hiragana. And yi, I'm right. I am right for yi, because it's very easy to remember. It's coming from the kanji this. All right. Okay, so we will see everyone next class, and then also review our previous classes as well. So see you next time. Thanks for joining me for my 4th day. Bye.